Welcome to my channel. Today we are learning about Tally program, but we are learning about how to activate stock category feature. By default it is not there, so I'm going to show you how to do it, how to enable it. What you do, just go to start and start your Tally program. But for you it might be on the desktop. You can just double click on the desktop icon for Tally, then you open it. Okay, here you select company, double click on the company file, you go to inventory info. As you can see here, there's no stock category function. Okay, so to enable stock category function, you just press F11 together with the F2. Okay, now from this list, what we're looking for this: maintain multiple go downs. Change it to yes. Now here, maintain stock category, you change it to yes. Okay, you press enter. Okay, that's it, guys. We have finished how to enable stock category function. Thank you.